Hi, I'm Jack Herrington. I am a full stack engineer and I'm also a YouTuber on the Blue Collar Coder channel. I cover all kinds of topics, including React, of course, state management, and at this one, in React Advanced, I am talking about the state of app management around the app router in particular and how to use it safely or whether you want to use it on the app router. And I think it's been great. It is fantastic. I'm really enjoying myself. It's so great to meet people just personally and talk to them about the videos that I make, and also the speakers here have been fantastic. The topics are amazing. I'm coming away inspired, which I think a lot of folks are, and that's great. And the vibe is just super friendly and wonderful. It's a little bit more low key than American events, but we're gonna be in React New York coming up pretty soon, so I expect a little bit more high key there, but still great. Awesome. And my first time in London, I'm really enjoying it. Never been to London before. My wife and I came over this time. It's been fantastic. We went to the Art Museum, the British Museum, the House of Lords and Common. We went to the Tower of London, which is amazing. It's like you see fine art and torture devices on the same day. It's hilarious. But it's been great. We went to a park, we went to a couple parks, and then also a market called the Borough Market, which has been fantastic. So just really enjoying it. I mean, it's like a double win here. It's like you get the city, which is great, really easy getting around, and also some just fantastic content. Don't use any globals in your app router. So that's really important. You're gonna really mess stuff up because potentially you could have multiple requests simultaneously, and you could have request pollution between two requests, which means potential data leakage, so don't do that. And then rule number 2 is don't use any mutable data in React server components or RSCs. That's pretty easy to enforce if you don't actually do the global store thing in the first place. And then finally, only show immutable data in React server components and immutable data in client components. And it's a pretty easy rule to follow. But it is kind of a thing when you're moving from the pages router to the app router, you really have to take a look at each piece of data that you're putting on the page and make sure that you're using the right component type to render that data. Absolutely. That's the way that you professionally improve. And you also network. I mean, there's just a whole lot of folks here with different jobs. There's the different vendors that you can talk to. It's fantastic. And I love and appreciate GitNation for putting this together. You guys put through an amazing event.